Under the Settings tab, you can set up all the parameters needed to manage your site. In particular, let's have a look on how to manage users and notifications. Under Users, we have Users and Activities log. Overall, the platform allows 4 different levels of authorization, differentiating between Owner, Manager, Guest, Staff. When you click on Users, if you are an owner or a manager, you can invite other personnel by defining the role. Or you can visualize the other users that are already part of the platform users and the pending invitations. Under Activities log, you will see which user took action on your plat with an item ID. Under the notification, you can enable or disable the SMS notification, which then a single user must activate or not under his dedicated section. Here, you'll also see the available SMS, how many of them were used, and how many you had in total.